Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how I made this flyer design and what the app used in the mockup. So without wasting much of our time, let's move to the app, Pixellab. Okay guys, once you have opened Pixellab, the first thing you have to do is to choose an appropriate image size that will be used in this design. So let's go to the foot icon, then the image size we will be using will be that of an A4 paper. So let's choose the width, which is 771, and the height, which is 1200, then click on OK. So once you have clicked on OK, let's delete this. Once you have clicked on OK, the next thing you have to do is to select the color, background color, click on gradient and choose the appropriate color that we will be using for this design. So as you can see, I have already selected the color, so click on OK. So once you have clicked on OK, the next thing you need to do is to import the image of the ice cream. Let's go to our gallery and import the image. Okay. So select the image you would like to use. So click on the image, click on OK. We use the size. Okay, I think this is okay. So the next thing you need to do is to select the PNG for the mic. Let's go to our gallery and select the PNG for the mic. Okay. Select the image. Okay. So once you have selected the image, you increase the size and bring it down. Let's decrease the size a little bit, then bring it down. Okay, let this image be behind this image for the ice cream. The next thing you need to do is to write the text Tinsy. Okay. Let's go to edit and write Tinsy in capital letter. Go to OK. So the next thing we will do is to create a text effect for Tinsy sips cream. So then after that, we will go to the text details about the flyer. So watch me carefully as I do this. The first thing you have to do for this Tinsy, you decrease the size to 40. Increase the size to 40. Okay, once you have increased the size to 40, choose a font for this. Let's select a font for this Tinsy. Let's go to recent. Okay, so this is a font we will be using. Then the next thing we need to do is to enable the 3D shape, then decrease it to about decrease it to 7. Let's decrease it to 7. Okay, then click on OK. So the next thing you need to do is to rotate it. Let's rotate it to an angle of negative 16, then place it on this image for the ice cream. So the next thing you need to do is to go to shadow, inner shadow, and enable it. Then let the shadow be in 2 and select the shadow you would like to use, and the offset be in 3. Okay, as you can see, it is done. Then the next thing you need to do is to duplicate this text. Write ships, capital letter, then bring it here. Bring this TZ down, decrease this to about 35, then okay, let's position this. So duplicate this things, then write the text new in capital letter, click on OK, then decrease the size to about 28. Let's decrease the size to about 28, then position it. Duplicate it and write the text cream. Okay, let's write cream in capital letter, then click on OK. Increase the size to about 30. Okay, as you can see, we are almost there. Let's continue. So the next thing is to create the 3D shape. In order for it to correspond to this text effect, let's click on this thingy and duplicate it. Then once you have clicked on this thingy and duplicated it, you make the color to be transparent. Let's make the color to be transparent. Okay, then once you have made the color to be transparent, the next thing you need to do is to enable the stroke and select a purple color. Then you leave the strokes to about 4, enable the 3D shape effect, then click on oblique. Let it be about, the depth be about 1. Then the next thing you need to do is to make it to be behind this tinge, the word tinge. So let's bring it down. Okay, click on 3D text, then rotate it downward. Okay, duplicate it. Let's duplicate it. Then write the text new in capital letter. Decrease the size to about 28. The same size we used for the word new. Then make it to be behind this new. Okay, then rearrange the position. Okay, let's continue. Duplicate the word new and write the text 6 in capital letter. Make it to be behind the word zip. Then reposition it to the text. Let's increase the size to about 35. See, we are almost done. The next thing you need to do is to repeat what I just did. Then delete this screen. Edit it and write the text screen. Capital letter. Make it to be behind the original screen and decrease the size to about 20 to about 30. So we are done with the text effect. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon plus, select sticker. Let's use the sticker. Then click on it. Increase the size of the sticker. Make it to be behind the image for the screen. Duplicate it. Then increase the size. You do the same thing. Bring it down. So as you can see, you're done with this. So the next thing you need to do is to write the word special menu. So okay, special menu in capital letter. So the special menu, change the color to purple, then select a font for the special menu. Midterm reply. Decrease the size. Okay, let's go to text to import the text. Okay. duplicate and use copy and paste, decrease the size to about 11. Okay, in order for you to be accurate, you have to make this to be somewhere here so that the alignment will be okay. You won't make any mistake with the alignment. Very important when designing a flyer design. Full with alignment, full with text. Your alignment need to be correct. Okay, select the color you would like to use. Let's use a black color. Okay, so we will do the same thing. Click on this menu, duplicate, and write the word address in capital letter. Increase the size a little bit. Okay, let's choose a dark color, a black color. It's okay. Then duplicate. Let's go to copy. Click on paste, then bring it down. So, decrease the size to about 11, the same size we used earlier. Okay, let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, remember we are working with alignment. Okay, and click on address. So next thing you need to do is to copy and paste the phone number. Copy. Get this and paste the phone number. Okay, decrease the size to about 11. Let's leave it. Okay, let's decrease it to about 11. Once you have decreased the size, select the purple color for the number. So as you can see, we are done. The next thing you need to do is to go to the app PicsArt for the mockup. So let's save our work. Let's save as image. We save as image. So as you can see, our image has been saved. The next thing you need to do is to go to the app PicsArt for the mockup. Let's move to the app PicsArt. So once you are in the app PicsArt, click on the mockup you would like to use. We are using a wrinkled paper. wrinkled paper for this. Okay, go to tools, then go to group. Let's use this, group it, click on OK. So the next thing you need to do is to go to add photo, the icon for add photo. Let's go to add photo. Once you have clicked on add photo, select the work we saved on our Pixellab. Let's select this, then go to add. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to increase the size. Let's increase the size. Okay, once you have increased the size, go to blend and select multiple. So as you can see, this is it. Let's decrease the size. Decrease the size a little bit. So as you can see, we are done. Hope you learned something while watching this video. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.